What are patterns in math? A pattern is something that repeats in a regular way. In math, patterns are all about finding rules that make things happen over and over again. Patterns help us predict what comes next. Types of patterns in math. Repeating patterns. A repeating pattern is a sequence that follows the same rule or repeats in the same way. Real-life example. Beads. Beads on a necklace. Red, blue, red, blue. Real-life example. Stripes. Stripes on a shirt. Red, white, red, white. Growing patterns. A growing pattern is a sequence that increases by a certain amount each time. Growing patterns. Numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Each number grows by 2. Growing patterns real life. Example. Stacking blocks. You start with 1 block, then add 2, then add 3, and so on. The tower gets taller. Shrinking patterns. A shrinking pattern is a sequence that decreases by a certain amount each time. Shrinking patterns. Numbers like 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Each number gets smaller by 2. Shrinking patterns real life. Example. Eating a pizza. You have 8 slices, then eat 2, so now you have 6, then eat 2 more, and you have 4. Alternating patterns. An alternating pattern switches between different things in a regular way. Alternating patterns. An alternating pattern switches between different things in a regular way. Alternating patterns example. Think of letters like A, B, A, B, A, B. The pattern alternates between A and B. Real-life example. Picture idea. Draw traffic lights alternating between red and green. Real-life example. Picture idea. Draw hands showing fingers in a number pattern, e.g., 1, 3, 5. Number patterns. Number patterns are a sequence of numbers that follow a rule. Number patterns. Example. Numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This pattern adds 2 every time. Real-life example. Number patterns. Counting fingers. Start with 1 finger, add 2 more, now you have 3 fingers up, then 5 fingers, and so on. Real-life example. Picture idea. Draw hands showing fingers in a number pattern, e.g., 1, 3, 5.